and sir, good morning. I'm Maria Lavelia Bico. I'm 46 years old. I live in Poblacion 2, Samtic, Antique. I have 4 children. My father passed away and my mother is a housekeeper. I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. I am a high school graduate. I have experience as a domestic helper in Singapore for 12 years in one employer since 2012 to 2024. I serve 6 people, 3 adult, 2 elderly, and 1 young. My main duties is attending the young one, do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and bring my employer's son in school. As my ama got sick and have dementia, I help also to take care my ama, to bring to see doctor and do some basic house first aid like taking blood pressure, take her blood glucose monitor, and giving her medicine as prescribed by the doctor. I'm very serious in my application. I'm hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and sincere to my work. I'm ready and willing to learn more things, adapt the new environment, and willing to improve my work so I can prove a better serving to my future employer. I can do the work without supervision of my employer. Do hire me as your domestic helper. I'm suitable to this position. I can perform all kinds of domestic work according to your requirements. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and obey your rules and regulations. Thank you very much and hoping to see you soon. God bless you and your family.